It's 100 degrees outside. Did you perform your summer vehicle inspection? If not, you may be headed into trouble. Let's set this up. While driving, you notice the temperature gauge maxed out and then dropped to 0. What do? Well, there are several items you need to look at immediately. A ruptured hose, a ruptured head gasket, which means there's oil in the coolant, a bad thermostat, a bad water pump, a ruptured radiator, a bad temperature sensor, bad wiring, or a bad computer. We had this problem, and we could have started by testing with an on-board diagnostic meter or an OBD meter, but we can see the coolant on the ground. Chances are this is a mechanical problem and not an electrical problem. Last week, the daily temperature index was over 100 degrees. Due to the high temperature, we popped a heater hose. One by one, we felt each hose. After several minutes, we found a crack in the lower heater hose. This is where we started. All gas-powered cars have an upper and lower radiator hose. There are also 2 heater hoses, and some cars have 2 oil cooler hoses. All of these hoses and connection points should be checked for serviceability. If your hoses have not been changed in several summers, then this is a great time to give them a squeeze. Hoses tend to weaken at connection points, so this may be a good starting point for you. If the hose is soft, it will fail at or near this location. It's better to check your hoses at home than to have a problem crop up while you're on the road. Since you're already up under the hood, I suggest you check your power steering fluid, brake fluid, wiper fluid, and transmission fluid. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing.